Hey guys, so this is like a quick video for the Xiaomi smart cooking robot and what are the reasons why you shouldn't use it, kind of like the pros and cons that you have to be aware of it. So yes, it's like cheaper to Thermomix, for example. 35 functions in one device, massive 1-inch touchscreen, powerful motor, built-in precision scale, 200 built-in recipes, also steel pot. So there's like a lot of stuff that you can actually like do with it, and insulated outer shell. But okay, so the recipes are primarily for the Asian, so it leans heavily to the Asian culture. Touch screen can sometimes is going to be unresponsive, so that's like another thing to be aware of. Also requires internet connection for recipes, so that's something you have to be aware of if you want to actually like use it, that you need to have like internet connection. No community recipe platform. So like for example with Thermomix, where you have communities where people can like post recipes, this is something that you don't get with Xiaomi. And sometimes it's in multiple cooking cycles, a strange smell during cooking for some units, recipe categories can be messy, error codes and defects on some units, and also blades can damage, including like spatula. So that's another thing, and still kind of like expensive. So if you're, for example, from the Asia and you like to use it, then I would like get it. But if you're primarily from the Europe or US, I would go like more to the Thermomix side, to be honest, even when it's like expensive. But because of the community and other things, I think it will be better. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.